Okay, so workbench settings use SplitJSON. Controls whether to use the SplitJSON editor when editing settings as JSON. So this is set to false by default, which means that when you open your settings, you will just see your settings.json file. If you have this setting right here, where is it? This setting right here, set to JSON. If you have this setting set to UI, well, it will open the UI. Now, close that out. I do like having the JSON file, and I do like having this set to false, but let me show you what happens when we set this to true. So if we open settings again, you will have the default settings on the left and your settings on the right. Now, I don't like this at all. I would rather just do this and have one single file, and that's what I'm going to leave it with.